Looking for the best things to do in June 2024 in Niagara Falls? Look no further than ToNiagara. Embark on an adventure with our legendary Voyage to the Falls boat tour or catch the Falls fireworks cruise. Experience the thrill of the Niagara Falls Whirlpool Freedom Jet Dry Tour or get soaked on the Whirlpool Wet Jet Tour. Go behind the scenes with our Niagara Tour featuring Journey Behind the Falls and the Skylon Tower. Explore further with our walking tours, including the Journey Behind the Falls and Power Station experience, or take a boat ride Journey Behind the Falls. For a breathtaking perspective, soar above it all with our Niagara Falls Canada helicopter tour. Experience the magic day and night with our Niagara Falls Day and Evening Tour, departing from various locations including Toronto, Brampton, and more. For a truly exclusive experience, indulge in our Niagara Falls Luxury Private Tour. Book now with ToNiagara for an unforgettable journey. Your adventure awaits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels!